Alright, kiddos, let's dive into the wild world of C programming. Today we're gonna talk about variables, and trust me, they're cooler than your favorite superhero. So imagine you have this box, right? You declare it, like announcing to the world, hey, I got a box. But declaring a box doesn't mean it's filled with anything exciting yet. Now here comes the fun part. You define the box by putting something awesome inside. It's like filling it with candy or a brand new toy. Boom! Your box is now a variable holding something super cool. But wait, there's more. Variables have this thing called scope. Think of it like secrets. Local scope is like a secret known only in one room. It's like whispering to your best friend without anyone else knowing. Sneaky, huh? On the other hand, global scope is like a secret everyone knows, like when the principal announces something on the school's PA system. It's out there for the whole world to hear. And that's the scoop on C variables, my friends. They're like magical boxes that hold all sorts of goodies. But hey, don't stop here. Keep exploring the amazing world of programming. Who knows what other mind-blowing stuff you'll discover? So go out there, embrace your inner coding genius, and remember, variables are the cool kids in the C programming universe. Stay sassy, stay curious, and keep coding.